Just learn from Protima Tiwari about the basics of listing your business online.
Hello, my name is Protima and I am a digital marketing consultant. For the last 8 years, I have been working with businesses of various sizes and helping them set up their online profiles through online marketing and social media presence. Today, I am joining you to talk about the basics of an online profile and making it richer to help your business stand out in front of your customers. Just like your online business profile is your address on the internet, what you show on your profile is like the display section of your shop. In the previous episode, we've already learned that there are several different ways in which you can create an online presence. Most of the platforms that you can choose to create your profile have some common features that will almost always be available. Name and description, contact details, opening hours, address and location. When customers see your business profile online, they want to know exactly what does your business offer. The first and most important step in making your profile effective is to make sure that your profile reflects the name and nature of your business accurately. While updating these fields, think about what all information you want to include in your profile. Let's say you run a bakery. Do you sell ready-made cakes only, or do you also take orders for special occasions? Like Protima's Bakery, ready-made and made-on-order cakes with home delivery. Or if you run a fashion boutique, do you make Indian ethnic dresses only, or do you make Western wear also? Protima's Boutique, Indian and Western wear. Once you have the attention of the customers, you need to tell them exactly when and where to find you and get in touch with you. You can do this by keeping your contact information, like your phone number or email address, up to date. Same with your hours of business. Are you open on Sundays? What time do you open and close your shop or store? Your address and location helps the customers locate you and get driving directions to your business, should they choose to visit you in person. And finally, many platforms give you the option to update your business category. Say, someone is looking for cake delivery near me instead of Protima's Bakery. Having your business category as bakery or restaurant will help your business show in such cases. Now is the time to take the step to tell customers what is special and unique about your business. Most of the popular services also offer features like posts, updates, pictures, reviews, and even product listings. You can use these features to regularly update your customers about the look and feel of your business, your products, and your offerings. Are you creating a special range of cakes or sweets for upcoming festivals? Did you launch a new collection in your store? Do you want to show your customers about special hygiene and sanitizing procedures you have put in place? Once your customers will see these updates, their confidence and interest in your business will likely to grow. Customers always go to the businesses that they have heard about from their friends and family. But isn't it even better if these happy customers can tell even other people about how they like your business? You can encourage your customers to leave you a positive rating or a review when they're happy with your services. Even if some customers are not happy with your services and leave you not so great reviews, you can promptly address their feedback, showing others that you care about all your customers. Well, that's a lot of information, isn't it? Let's recap. There are 4 things you need to make sure you do using all these features. First, make sure that your customers know everything about your business, what you do and what can they expect from you. Second, make it easy for users to contact you, find your location, and know about your business hours. Third, keep your customers updated about your business and offerings through engaging posts, pictures, and videos. And finally, keep interacting with customers through reviews, ratings, feedback, and comments on your profile. That's all for today. With these tips, you should be able to create richer online profile and engage with the customers, both old and new. I hope you will be updating your profile soon. For now, I will take your leave. Keep learning. Namaste.
And we continue.